Hey guys, we are going today to the John Fluevog warehouse and sample cell. And if you don't know about John Fluevog,
which I don't,
weird ass shoes, but they are extremely high quality and extremely expensive.
Are they the ones that look like bowling shoes with like the flames and stuff on them?
Yeah.
Like leathery kind of?
They're definitely leather, definitely
Okay.
high quality. Company is based in Canada, and this is the first time that the sample and warehouse cell has been in the United States. And it is taking place at the flagship store, John Fluevog flagship store there on Haight Street, which is actually not far from us.
It's in the Upper Haight, right?
Yes, in the Upper Haight, and they've taken over a empty a retail space that was next door to it. That of another
Oh, I
business.
didn't realize that.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I thought it was their actual store.
Well, it is. It's right next door.
Oh, I see.
It was Bang On.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Do you remember that? Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, that
I guess they
closed.
banged out.
They banged off.
They banged on somewhere else.
They did something.
It wasn't banging.
No banging.
It wasn't banging.
No banging. And so John Fluevog took over that space for the sample cell. It started at 11 a.m. today, and it is now 1 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
So we got kind of started a bit late, and hopefully I can find something that's actually affordable enough to buy for myself, because I've wanted a pair of these shoes for a very long time.
And being as that I can never find shoes my size, I'm not particularly worried about it, but it's going to be cool to check out anyway. They do have really cool shoes, right? Like you said.
Really cool shoes.
Like I said, I always think they're bowling shoes maybe, but they're really weird, leathery.
They have different, actually some like guy shoes. They're very artistic, like they're weird angles, and I don't know.
I don't know, let's go take a look, see what they look like.
Check out the link down in the description. Judge for yourself.
They're what?
Dragon shoes.
They are dragon shoes.
On the hill.
That's pretty cool. It says. There it is. Be the queen of the skies. Nice.
Gosh.
Very 70s.
To get this sign, all of our houses.
This is where we quickly find out there's nothing in my size. No 14s.
I think it's great. I should I'd much rather have something like that.
Man. Oh, Cuddy. Wait, that's the same pair?
Yeah.
Interesting. Oh, I see. Well, that was cool. I like their stuff. None of it would fit me ever. She unfortunately didn't find anything she really liked. You found a pair of boots in the
Only
store you
full
liked.
price.
How much were they?
$4.99.
$4.99.
They're quality boots, though. I mean, like, if you look at them, they're all leather.
They'll
They're
probably last lifetime, right?
literally, you could have
Yeah.
them resold because they're
Oh, well.
all leather sold, blah, blah, blah.
I mean, if you come check out the warehouse sale and there's something that's your size, you
You
get
gotta
a
like the
discount.
funkiness.
Score.
If
It
you're
is
size,
Christmas
if
time.
you're a size 6, you're probably in better shape than the others.
I'm not a size 6.
Definitely not a size 6.